Bryan Kelling, controller at Metro Air Conditioning Company, realized the risks of handling paper invoices.
Our document flow was either invoices came in about half and half email or regular U.S. mail. An individual would take those invoices, those paper invoices, and if they came in PDF copies, would have to print those out. Our document flow would be we would receive those invoices into 𝐵𝐫𝐽 manually and then put those invoice copies in manila folders and set them on PM's and salesmen's desks for approval. From time to time, we'd have to rattle their cages to get those approvals back. Some of the pitfalls we ran into in that process, invoices would get hung up on the PM's desks. From time to time, maybe an invoice got paid without, if there was an issue with materials or equipment, would get paid without somebody knowing it. Sometimes, invoices would not get entered until they were approved, and it could be months or so before those invoices got entered because they're again hung up on PM's desk or lost, and then the vendor would be calling us asking us for payment status on invoices.
Bryan decided it was time to find a better solution for his company.
We started looking at different products. It came down to cost, really. We wanted a product that we could kind of test drive at a minimal cost, figure out if this was something that was going to work for us and not have to be all in on a very expensive software. The interfaces and the use of the 𝐻𝐻2 product was just so easy and so user-friendly that between that and the cost value that we experienced, we decided that this was the product that we wanted to test drive, and we've been very happy with it to this point.
Bryan said goodbye to mounds of paper and embraced cloud-based document handling.
Since we started using document flow with 𝐻𝐻2, we've been able to accomplish one of our primary goals, which was to go to a paperless situation. So no more filing papers and filing cabinets, no more manual entry through the 𝐶age AP module. All of our documents are now approved before they go in the AP module, and there's some processes we're looking to kind of speed that up as well. But the biggest thing is that with this AP processing, we're able to have PMs be able to compare the invoice amounts to the commitments that they have written, to track those commitments, to track those amounts, and to be able to see those invoices in a PDF format on any job that they want at any particular point in time.
𝐻𝐻2's workflow engine ensures that every stakeholder approves every invoice.
The workflow engine we use, with the approval processes going from the document processing to the PMs and then for final approval, has been very helpful. One of the other goals that I had in this process was being able to get eyes on every invoice as it came through the chain, so that I wasn't surprised when I was doing AP to see what invoices had come in and what hadn't. So this way I'm able to kind of keep tabs on things a little bit closer and a little bit quicker.
Bryan found 𝐻𝐻2's pricing model to be economical and fair.
The pricing model with 𝐻𝐻2 is based on invoice volume as opposed to an upfront cost on software. The pricing model has been very fair. It's on a monthly basis. We depending on what our volume is, we know what our costs are. It really has been a very nice feature of the whole product as well.
𝐻𝐻2 document flow helped Bryan to accomplish his goals to update his company's document handling system.
For us, using 𝐻𝐻2's document flow, it enabled us to accomplish two of our primary goals. One, to go paperless with our AP process, and two, to get those invoices in front of PMs in a timely manner and get those invoices approved and into the accounting software in a timely manner. These goals have been accomplished greatly, and we have really appreciated the functionality and all of the features of the 𝐻𝐻2 document flow product.
Whenever he gets a chance, Bryan feels good about recommending 𝐻𝐻2 to other construction companies.
I have had the opportunity through conversations here at the TUG conference to be able to recommend this product, the 𝐻𝐻2 document flow, AP document flow product, to a number of people that I've met here who are in conversations talking about either the different document softwares that they've been looking at or the ones that they use. And it is kind of a good feeling to be able to recommend a product that we have had very good success with, that we like using and plan on continuing to use into the future.
To learn more about how HH2 document flow can streamline your company's invoice handling, sign up for a free webinar by visiting hh2.com/df today.